which talks about so once we have understood the concept of supply, it's very, very important for us to understand the concept of mixed and composite supply. The concept of supply is there under Section 7 of CGST Act 2017, whereas types of supply is there under Section 8 of CGST Act 2017. So first we are going to talk about composite supply. If you want, you can take down the notes. The composite supply means the supply by a taxable person to the recipient. It consists more two or more supply of goods or services or combination of thereof, and they are naturally bundled. For example, if you are getting television, along with that you are getting warranty, maintenance, services, installation. So this is the example of principal and mixed supply. So amongst this, television will become known as principal supply, and remaining all will be known as composite supply. Why this explanation, why these definitions are very important? Because GST rate will be applicable on principal supply and not on composite supply. You will understand when we will deal the questions based on this concept today. So it's not only that we should learn about composite and mixed supply, but also we should know that what rate, and then only it will be helpful for us to apply these things under section 9, which will talk about levy and collection of GST. Levy and collection of GST. So once your composite supply is done, please let me know. Then we'll go for mixed supply. Anaga is writing. Yes, Anjali and all. Prince, kindly take down. Very good. Anjali is showing that she is writing. Very good. Meghna, Rushik, very good. Aprajita, Divya, Megha Patel, Pranjal, Sunita. So this part is, this component is very important. Huh? What rate will be applicable? Kindly finish fast. Yash, Shubhangi, Neha, Shivanshi, Shivani, Sinde, all are writing. Very good students. Today we will do the practical question also based on this. So now from theoretical aspect of GST, we are moving little bit practical aspect of GST, which will make more, impactful as far as learning of GST is concerned for all of us. Siddesh, Archana, all are writing. Very good. Once you'll finish, please let me know. Then we'll go for next definition. Meenakshi stated she has done. Let me see 4, 5 student. If they will say, then we will go for next. Vidisa also is done. Meghna, Rushik, Vipul. Okay. So now let us see this definition. And in mixed supply, what is important when together, along with the, you know, just write down, then I'll explain both the example. Don't worry. It's done. Mix supply is done. Okay, okay, not yet. Aman has done it. This part is very important. GST will be applicable where in the product which has a highest rate, okay, in entire mix supply, in all the product which we will combinedly selling to the people at large. Okay, so now let me give you the example as composite supply is concerned. They have given the example of television, warranty, maintenance, and all. So the example for television, as if now we have the laptop. Along with the laptop, we get the charger, we get the mouse. Okay. If say, for example, the rate of mouse, the GST rate on mouse is 28%. The GST rate on charger is 18%. But GST rate on laptop is 12%. So when it is sold together as a composite supply along with the principal supply, where the principal supply is laptop and these are the composite supply, the GST rate applicable will be the GST rate applicable will be 12%. The rate which is applicable on principal supply. Okay, but in spite of not the principal and composite supply, if they have sold as a mixed supply together, and this is the situation, then the product which has the highest rate will be the rate of GST for that entire bundle, for entire mix supply. Okay, so to understand it in better way, now let us go for few illustrations. First illustration. Okay, when we book the air ticket, which involves the cost of meal to be provided during travel, classify the principal and composite supply. Can I have your answer, please? Classify the principal and composite supply. Along with the air ticket, we are getting meal. So in this, what is the principal supply and what is the composite supply? Yes, Nipun has got me the right answer. Air ticket will be the airfare will be the and meal will be the composite supply. Yes. Musab is also getting me the right answer. Dheeraj, very good. So here the answer is given. See, it's there in your textbook also, but in textbook directly it is given. You will not be able to understand. I have transformed it into a question answer form, which will be easier for all of us to understand, being the student of TY BAF semester 5th. Okay. Now next example. Mrs. P Limited entered into a contract with Mrs. Z Limited for supply of goods, where goods are packed and transported with insurance. Classify the principal and composite supply. Classify the principal and composite supply. So kindly take down this question and answers. It will be very, very helpful for you. Yes. The right answer is, few of the student got me the right answer. Yes, goods. Yes, Divya and all. Yes, yes. So here again, the goods will be considered as principal supply and remaining all what we are getting. Yes, Even it was given in our example of television, their installation, etc., etc. Very, very good. Very good, right? Very, very right answer. So that is what is the answer given here. So whosoever has not got, please take this as your answer. Now next, which is very, very interesting and which I preferred to be the best example. Here the things is a five-star hotels provides 4 day and 3 night stay package with breakfast. Classify the principal and composite supply. If the hotel accommodation attracts 18% tax rate and insurance service attracts 28% tax rate, what will be GST rate? So first classify which is principal and composite and also get me the tax rate. Yes, Divya is very right. Divya is right. Yes, Archana is also no five-star hotel nahi. Again read. Mega is right. Divya is right. Yes, and the tax rate will be yes. This is very important for us to understand. Yes. So now you understood why I was very keen to understand the concept of composite and mixed supply. Of course, with their yes, many of you are very, very right. The tax rate will not be 28%, the tax rate will be 18% based on principal supply, not the composite supply. Very, very good. Thank you, dear student. It shows that you are already in learning mode and you are getting me the right answers. And now you'll enjoy learning GST because till now we were there in theoretical mode. Now we are there in practical mode. So these practical illustration, these practical example will make our learning more interesting and we can connect. Yes, sir, this is what is happening. This is what we have experienced. Yes, sir, when we go, we found this kind of tax structure. We found this kind of, chargeability by people or by the storekeeper or by the hotel people. So please see to it that and kindly apply. Okay, when you are residing, see which kind of rate they have charged. If you are unaware, they might charge 28% tax rate, but don't pay. Ask them what is the accommodation rate of tax and pay that much only GST. Don't pay on the restaurant tax structure. Okay. So can we proceed for the next example? Can we proceed for the next example? Yes. Thank you. The next example goes like this. Mr. Ravi, being a dealer in laptops, sold the laptop bag along with the laptop to a customer for rupees 55,000. CGST and SGST for laptop is 18% and for laptop bag is 28%. What will be the tax leviable and what will be the GST liability? Read, make your own time, use your calculator and get me the answer. Get me the answer. Read question appropriately, Divya. What they are asking, I want that answer. Please read it appropriately. Someone got me right answer. Someone got me right answer. Someone got me right answer. Three students got me the right answer. Fourth in row. Fourth student also. Fifth one got me the right answer. Yes, of course. It's very clear. For me, uh, the laptop will always be a principal and rest all will be the composite one. Yes, Archana got me the full right answer. So here, why now you must have realized why I was very focused and keen. Boss, this composite and mix supply is so very important. Many of you got me the right answer. Now, can you tell me whether it is intrastate or interstate transaction? Can you get me what is whether it is intrastate or interstate transaction? Yes, Prince got me right answer. Meghna, Krishna, Dheeraj, yes. Why? Because here CGST and yes, SGST is applicable. Very, very right answer. Thank you very much. So now let us go to the next illustration, which is talk about mixed supply. When we give in Diwali gift hamper, it is very common in Mumbai. You must have seen we give together with the chocolate or cake or dry fruits. This is very, very effective example of mixed supply. And what will be the tax rate applicable? Can I have your answer, please? What will be the tax rate applicable? Will it be considered as composite or mixed supply? Will it be considered as composite or mixed supply? Yes. The answer is, the answer is, Divya got me the right answer. Rishabh got me the right answer. Jinans got me the right answer, hers and all. Thank you very much. This is the example of mixed supply. And rate, highest rate. I hope whatever we have studied now, it is very much. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay. The highest rate. Many of you got me the right answer. Many of you got me the right answer. Thank you very much. And now I hope you must be enjoying learning GST. Till now, I was talking only, theory, definition, concept. Today onwards, it will be more of practical. And for all sections, I have already framed the practical. So you need not have to worry. Here, see, so many practicals are there. Yesterday, almost 10 to 12 hours I sat and I started having these practicals which will be useful for us in days to come. So no worries. So here we had this Diwali gift wala. So many of you got me the right answer and the right answer is this. It's an example of mixed supply and the highest rate of tax amongst them. Suppose sweet, chocolate, cake or dry fruits. So here 28, 18, 12, 5. 28, 18, 12, 5. What will be the rate then? On sweet, it is 28%. On chocolate, it is 18%. I'm just hypothetically taking an example. Cake, 12%, and dry fruits, 5%. Or go reverse way only. Okay, here 28, here 18, here 12, and here 5%. So what will be the rate applicable? Yes, very, very right answer. Yes, the right answer will be whatever the product has highest rate. If they will sold separately, different rate will be applicable. If they will sold together in mixed supply, the highest rate will be applicable. Very, very right answer. Can we have the next question? Yes, this is the question. Messrs. X Limited, a dealer, offers combo pack of shirts, watch, wallet, books. They are bundled in a as a kit, and the tax rate for shirt, watch, wallet, and books are as under 12%, 18%, 5%, and nil respectively. What will be the GST applicable? So here, what they wanted to say, yes, 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 many of you are getting with the right. But don't get me only the right answer. Please take down in your notebook also. Please take down in your notebook also. Because only merely giving answer over here is not going to serve your purpose. You have to appear university exam. You have to appear university exam. So the question is, they are the dealer and selling together shirt, watch, wallet, books together in a bundle. The rate of tax is like this. Shirt 12%, watch 18%, wallet 5%, and book 0%. So what rate will be applicable? So many of us, many of my students got me the very, very right answer. And the right answer was the product which has the highest rate. This is an example of mixed supply. And the product which has the highest rate will be applicable. And here we found the highest rate is with watch. That is 18%. So here 18% tax rate will be applicable. Okay. Next question, please. This was the answer. Next question. So even though you are unable to write, you can keep the screenshot of it, and then later on you can take the notes from your friend also. No worries. If we have booked the ticket in Rajdhani along with the fare, they are giving us the food. Will it be example of composite supply or mixed supply? Will it be the example of composite supply or mixed supply? Yes. The right answer is yes. Many of you have got me the right answer. Yes. It was more or less similar to the first illustration what we have seen. Okay. Now let us go to the last question. Space Bazaar offers free bucket with detergent purchase. Bucket and detergent. खा गए ना गच्चा? And what will be the rate? Yes. Only Divya got me the right answer. And rate will be 28%. It's an example of mixed supply. And the rate applicable will be 28%. So today's session, I hope you must have enjoyed because it was more of practical. Yes. And you must have realized why composite and mixed supply is so very important, because then only you can apply the tax rate. And with these example, I think the funda of mixed and composite supply and principal supply is very much clear to you all. Thank you everyone. Thank you Vita. Thank you very much. Learn this